Hi everyone, Geoff Clark here, CEO of Acceleware. Now that we're well into the second year of the novel coronavirus pandemic, I thought I'd check in and recap the last year of Acceleware and give a little update on where we are at with the Marwayne Pilot. First off, I'm definitely thinking about all of the people that have died or gotten sick or had friends and families affected by the COVID-19 pandemic. I hope you are all staying safe and well. Apart from the magnitude of the pandemic tragedy, the past 13 months or so have been remarkably positive for Acceleware. If I could sum up this period in 3 words, it would be trust, teamwork, and partnerships. And these will continue to be important as we are on the cusp of testing our RF XL technology. RF XL is a technology that promises to be a game changer for heavy oil and bitumen production, reducing carbon footprint, not to mention eliminating freshwater use and reducing land disturbance. When I think back to March 13th, 2020, when I asked the team not to come into the office for the proverbial 2 to 4 weeks while we flatten the curve, I did have moments of high anxiety which were eventually replaced with a true sense of confidence that the AXE team could take on this new obstacle and rise to the challenge. And that confidence came from the trust we all had in every member of our team. Speaking of which, the AXE team has been fantastic, especially when you think of the processes of innovation, project management, and execution. These are inherently collaborative processes that need face-to-face interaction to succeed. The fact that we did some of our best work over Microsoft Teams is truly remarkable. So I'd like to say a big thank you to my teammates for really stepping up, trusting each other, and getting the job done. Innovation is a function of teamwork. A case in point is throughout the year we had multiple patents granted, including the core RF XL patent, and we now have a total of 7 patents granted or allowed in the US, Canada, and Europe. We continue to invest in our IP and we have many more patents pending. Trust and teamwork have a leverage effect when you extend them to external partnerships, relationships that you can truly call partnerships, and we have many examples of that over the past year. Early in the pandemic, we started talking seriously with Broadview Energy about the possibility of partnering for our RF XL Pilot at Marwayne, and we signed an agreement last May. Once we had the site, we could engage with the Alberta Energy Regulator to secure the approvals needed to conduct the tests. Between August and December, we received all the required approvals. In the summer, we were approached by Jim Boucher and his team at DENE Group about the possibility of working together, and we created the Acceleware partnership. Jim Boucher is an absolute icon in the world of responsible resource development, fueled by the engagement of Indigenous peoples. Acceleware marries 2 great cultures, and I can't wait to see what we can do with it. Our funding partners also stepped up in a big way for us over the last year as well. Sustainable Development Technology Canada increased their investment by over 10% in response to the pandemic, while Emissions Reduction Alberta accelerated payments under their agreement to assist with cash flow. And recently, we added Alberta Innovates with an investment of $5 million into the Marwayne Pilot. We'd like to say a big thank you to all of them. We also strengthened and added to our industry partnerships. We now have 2 major oil sands producers, each contributing $2 million to Marwayne. We also get great technical review and input from these partners, as evidenced by our regular teams review meetings. Can't wait to get these partners out to site and show them what RF XL can do. So with the government funding, the industry funding, and other capital that we have raised to date, and given our current cost estimates, we now believe that the Marwayne Pilot is fully funded and we are well underway. We recently held key meetings with our service company partners as well. Our engineering partner Scovan facilitated recent process and electrical HAZOP meetings, while our drilling and completions engineers TriStar recently facilitated our first so-called DWAP and CWAP meetings. That is the drill well on paper and complete well on paper meetings. So where are we at now? We've just cleared the lease and we have ordered all our long lead materials. We are just waiting for materials to arrive and spring breakup to be over and the land to firm up. We are currently planning to commence and complete drilling and begin heating in early Q3. We can't wait to show RFXL can boost ESG performance in the oil and gas sector through electrification, creating highly skilled jobs, and driving down costs. And we could not have gotten this far without trust, teamwork, and partnerships. Stay tuned to our LinkedIn page, our Twitter, and our website for more updates. Thanks.